Hello all, I'm Amber and this is Engineering Life. I like watching daily vlogs on YouTube and wanted to find one by a woman in engineering. But I couldn't find one, so I've made my own with the goal of promoting diversity in engineering. It's not all about me. I have guest vlogger engineers to include more voices in this project. And it's not all about engineering. You'll see the everyday life of engineers and the diversity that can exist within this field. I want to encourage everyone to pursue engineering even if they don't fit the stereotypical mold. I'm still figuring this all out, so I hope you'll stick with me. Remember to subscribe and share. Thanks!
It's Tuesday, and this week has been pretty boring because we are just in Oklahoma now, doing a lot of reading and working. So this video is going to be a little different, not so much an update. I wanted to show y'all something that's kind of nerdy, but I really like it, and I think hopefully some of the other engineering nerds in the world will also like it. A few months ago, I got a tattoo, and I'll show it to you now. For those of y'all that don't automatically recognize what this is on my leg, it is the thermodynamic diagram of a Carnot cycle. So what I mean by thermodynamic diagram is if you plot the pressure and the volume inside of a heat engine as you go through the heat cycle, this is the shape you would end up with. And this shape correlates to a Carnot cycle. So a Carnot cycle is the theoretical most efficient process for a heat engine. So it's not a realistic cycle. This is sort of if you didn't count like friction and any loss of efficiency that you would have in an engine. So I'll probably put a link in the description box below to some webpage or another that explains it. But anyway, so I've wanted a tattoo for a little while since undergrad, and I obviously really like engineering, and I really like thermodynamics especially. And then also, the thing about the Carnot cycle is it's kind of within engineering a symbol of efficiency because it's the most efficient heat engine. One of the reasons I really like this idea of this diagram from the Carnot cycle is because it is a symbol of efficiency, and sort of as an engineer and as a person, I really care about being aware of how you're using your resources and your time, and then also, especially as an engineer, trying to optimize whatever it is I'm working on. So either the process of solving a problem or the actual, optimizing a system. I don't know, I just feel like it's really important to me. So this is just something that I really like. Obviously I have a tattoo of it, and I just thought it would be fun to sort of show it to y'all and explain it and explain what it is and why I got it. So if you have any cool nerdy tattoos or something like that, I don't know if that's a little too specific, you should post them to Twitter or something and tag this account, because I bet there are other people out there who have nerdy engineering tattoos, and I think it'd be cool to see what other people have. I'm sure it's, they're probably relatively unique, and I think it'd be fun to just sort of talk about it and talk about why you chose what you chose. So yeah, that's what I have for this week. Next week will be a little bit more of a normal video, and we'll see you all then. Okay, bye!